Welcome to this gentle exploration meditation focusing on aparigraha, the art of non-attachment. Let's settle into this moment together with open hearts and curious minds. As we begin, take a moment to set an intention for our time together. Perhaps it's to understand the difference between love and clinging, or to find freedom in letting go. Whatever draws you here today is perfect. This is your safe space, a sanctuary where you can explore without judgment. We'll spend the next few minutes investigating what it means to hold life lightly, like a bird that rests momentarily in your palm before taking flight. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this present moment. Let your body soften and your breath find its natural rhythm. There's nowhere else to be and nothing else to do but be here, right now. Begin by taking 3 conscious breaths. With each exhale, let go of any agenda or expectation about this meditation. Notice how your body wants to settle. Perhaps your shoulders can drop a little, or your jaw can soften. The concept of aparigraha invites us to examine our relationship with holding on, not just to things, but to ideas, outcomes, even emotions. It's the gentle art of opening our fists, both literally and metaphorically. Place your hands palm up on your knees or in your lap. Feel the openness of this gesture. This is the posture of aparigraha, of receiving what comes and allowing what goes. Notice your breathing without trying to change it. Each breath is a perfect example of natural letting go. The inhale comes, we receive it fully, then we release it completely. We don't try to hold on to the breath or push it away. We simply allow the natural flow. This is the wisdom your body already knows. The heart knows how to beat without grasping. The lungs know how to breathe without clinging to each breath. Let this natural wisdom inform your understanding of non-attachment. Bring to mind something you've been holding on to tightly. Perhaps it's a worry about the future, a resentment from the past, or an expectation about how things should be. Don't analyze it, just acknowledge its presence with kindness. Imagine this concern or attachment as an object in your hands. Feel its weight, its texture. Notice how tightly you've been gripping it. There's no judgment here, only gentle awareness. Now, very slowly, begin to soften your grip, not dropping or throwing away, but simply loosening your hold, like opening a window to let fresh air flow through a stuffy room. As you soften your grip, notice what happens in your body. Perhaps there's a sense of relief in your chest or a softening around your heart. The act of non-attachment isn't about not caring. It's about caring without clinging. Rest in this space of gentle holding. You can love deeply without possessing. You can care profoundly without controlling. This is the paradox of aparigraha. The more we let go, the more room we create for genuine connection. Think of how a tree relates to its leaves. The tree nourishes each leaf completely, provides everything it needs to flourish. Yet when autumn comes, the tree doesn't cling. It allows the leaves to fall, trusting in the larger rhythm of life. You too can love like this tree, fully, generously, without the exhausting effort of trying to make things permanent that are naturally impermanent. Return your attention to your breath. Each inhale brings fresh possibility. Each exhale creates space for what wants to emerge. Your breath is your teacher in the art of receiving and releasing. If you notice your mind has wandered into planning or worrying, simply notice this too without judgment. Even the movement of mind can be held lightly. Thoughts arise and pass away like clouds across an open sky. Let yourself rest in this openness. You don't need to achieve anything or fix anything right now. You're practicing the revolutionary act of being present without an agenda. As we complete our time together, take a moment to appreciate yourself for showing up. for being willing to explore the tender territory of letting go. The practice of aparigraha continues beyond this meditation. Throughout your day, you might notice opportunities to hold life a little more lightly, to love without possessing, to care without controlling. Remember that non-attachment isn't indifference. It's the most loving way to meet life, with open hands and an open heart. I wish you the courage to love freely and the wisdom to hold lightly. Stay mindful, friends.